What's up, you all? It's been a couple years. Omphalos back again with another tutorial. I'm gonna be kind of remaking the Rainmeter tutorial I did a couple years ago. It's kind of lengthy and could be clarified a little bit, so I'm gonna try to fix those things. But yeah, so we're just gonna kind of be setting up Rainmeter again. I'll just kind of use the skin as an example. So yeah, let's get started. So to kind of start off with, I am using Wallpaper Engine, so if the wallpaper is moving, I have an older tutorial on that. Once again, it's not very clear, but that's that if you're curious. First thing is we're going to move these icons down here in the middle. We'll go here, right click, toolbars, and then hit links. And then you'll notice this little thing will show up in the bottom right here, and then you want to right click again, and then uncheck lock all taskbars, and so now you'll see that there is this little gray, and then you can drag this gray links, you can drag it all the way to the other side, and you will have to drag it a couple times to get it to go. But then now once it's here, all of your icons will be pushed here. Then you can take this little gray thing here and drag it to about the middle. I think this is probably close enough. Right click once again, and then recheck lock all taskbars, and you'll notice that their little gray things went away. You can't drag them, but this little links thing does stay here. So this is going to stay here, but now your taskbar is in the middle. Now let's go ahead and get Rainmeter installed. Actually, sorry, before we do that, I forgot about one more thing. So to hide the desktop icons, what you can do is right click anywhere on the desktop, and under view, you can go here and then hit hide desktop icons, or of course if you want to keep them there you can too. It's a matter of personal preference. So I actually need to update my Rainmeter, so I'm going to go ahead and download Rainmeter with you guys. My Rainmeter version is outdated, so I'll just download the latest version. But you go ahead and go over to rainmeter.net. So basically this tool, the Rainmeter, just allows user contributors to upload their skins to websites. You can go ahead and download those skins and then load it into Rainmeter, and Rainmeter just allows you to apply those skins on your desktop. So as far as I understand, Rainmeter doesn't actually make the skins. It's the users just in the community. It could literally be anyone who make the skins, and then they put it on websites so you can use Rainmeter to download them. And so basically to download Rainmeter, you just go ahead and go here and then hit download final. I'd recommend doing this, but if you want to download the beta, I guess you can. It's up to you. And then go ahead and run the .exe file. Just do standard installation. You can select your program path. Just hit install. And then at the very end, just go ahead and check run Rainmeter. Oh, it's actually running in the taskbar. So you might have to hit this arrow, right click on Rainmeter, and then hit manage. It's a little teardrop icon. And so it'll open this window. This won't be the same for you. You won't have, I think you'll just have Enigma in this list. All these other skins won't be here. These are the skins that you download from the community, I guess. These are just made by users. So the skins tab will show you where all your skins are. The layouts tab will allow you to kind of save and load layouts in the future. So I can load a layout here, or I can just save that layout as something else. I'll go ahead and load the blank one. And the settings tab is just various settings, like disabling debt dragging is probably the useful one. So to actually download the skins, you can use websites like Visual Skins is a nice one I'm looking at. DeviantArt is also pretty good. But you can, like I said, you can just do a Google search, and as long as someone put the file able to download, you can download it and use it. It'll come in a .rm skin package, so I'll go ahead and actually download this one right now, Calendar Without Extra Days from Visual Skins. Download the .rm skin package here. That's just like a Rainmeter specific package that Rainmeter just unpackages within the app. And so I downloaded it to my desktop. Go ahead and run it, and then you'll see the name of the skin, you'll see who made the skin, you'll see the version the skin is on. The developer has like updated it, for instance, and then you want to check add here, and I guess you can check load included skins if you want. So you can see that Rainmeter put the skin in the top left corner. I don't really need that installer anymore. I can go ahead and delete it. So to actually kind of load more skins and customize more stuff, you'll notice that the little tray went away. What you have to do is go on the skin and right click on it. Right click on it, and then you can go to manage skin, and that'll pull up that menu that we're kind of familiar with already. So some useful things that you can do with skins are, for instance, I can go to here. I can move the coordinates manually. So say I wanted it like, I don't know, at a specific coordinate, I can. I can disable dragging, so I can make it undraggable. That way I can't drag it around. I can drag it like this. I can make it transparent. I can make it hide on hover. I guess this doesn't really work right now. I can make it so it only works on desktop. I can make it so it's always on top of other windows. So if I were to put it here, you'll notice that it's still here even with Chrome on top. So yeah, you can kind of get creative with the loadouts. I'm not gonna like tell you to make a specific loadout. Just kind of pick from the community. There are tons out there. You'll have a blast kind of messing around with it on your own. And so that's pretty much all you really need to know. I like to just kind of build loadouts and kind of keep them in here, save them, load them every once in a while. Another cool one I like to use is called Translucent Taskbar. There's actually an app on the Windows Store kind of made after this. This was a few years ago, but I downloaded it. It's called Translucent Taskbar, and when you load it, you might see down at the bottom of the screen, it makes my taskbar translucent. So that's pretty fun. But yeah, that's pretty much the whole video. Hope you guys enjoy, and let me know if I should like remake the wallpaper engine one as well. So yeah.